What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. We are looking at INJ injective. You can see on the daily we are doing something magnificent. We are breaking out of our bull flag. We technically have back tested based off the little wick here. Let me move that little wick here. We have technically back tested. Am I saying there's no back test later? I'm not saying that. We could do it again. Anyways, daily is looking pretty solid. Thing I want everybody to get used to is looking at the weekly. Now that we have institutions in here, they'll look at the weekly and they're a little mean with it. Anyways, we have no hidden bearish divergence. Love to see it. We have reset our stochastic on the weekly. Beautiful. Means we do have some legs to run. Let's go ahead and check the daily again. Daily, we still have no hidden bearish divergence, unless you want to say that. But we can say the consolidation played out. As long as we get a higher high than any of these, which looks like we already have, looks like we have canceled out any hidden bearish divergence that could have happened. Stochastic is getting a little bit high. However, there's a big deal here. We are in price discovery mode for injective, so indicators can get a little wonky when this happens. Let's go ahead and go down to the 4 hour. Your 4 hour is pretty high on the stochastic. Does indicate we could roll over. The possibility is there. Noted we are not overbought on the relative strength. Also, if we take a look at the MACD, we can see a little bit less positive momentum. But you can see the massive buying that's happening with this bullish convergence based off this peak back here and the peak up here. So that's very good to see. If we manage to come down and get another touch, that would be just the most confirmation you can get, and then you would expect the entire bull flag to play out, which is a 78% rise. So keep this in your, I don't know, in the front of your mind, something like that. If you were a part of the live stream on Friday night, I believe, we were looking at injective back in this area. I did mention back then if 34.11 holds, then we could see something amazing. So if anyone who was in the live stream took action on this, congratulations, you are up, and you're up in a big way. Hopefully it continues and not too much of a crazy pullback. Anyways, your 1 hour does look like we could be rolling over a little bit. We do have a little bit of hidden bearish divergence on the 1 hour based off this peak, higher peak, lower relative strength, but it's only slightly, only slight, but you can see the subtle hidden bearish divergence right there. So keep that in mind when trading injective. I'm going to set up an alert down here at 36.72 because I do not want to miss this move. 78% is nothing to scoff at. It's a very good opportunity at great gains. Checking out the 15-minute. Your 15-minute is trying to find support off of its 50 simple moving average. However, we'll see how strong it is. If it does break above, you know what? I'm gonna put this up here too. If it manages, I'm gonna need to clear out some alerts. But if it ends up breaking above, then we could see this thing start rocking to the upside in a very big way. Anyways, this is what I see out of injective. Tell me what you think in the comments below. Also, if you have any requests, please join me in Discord. Link is in the description. Drop your requests in there. We have a special tab for it. I'll either make a video for it, or I'll send you a screenshot, or I'll post a screenshot of what I see in the market, and we can all go from there. We can all learn from each other. Would be great to have more people in the Discord. Also, more people in live streams always helps. But if you could interact with this, very simple. Just hit a like, comment below. Helps me a lot. Helps out the channel, and it also helps with just finding more like-minded people. So if you're into charts, you're probably going to find more people into charts, not only in the Discord but also in the comment section. Don't get scammed in there. I'll never message you first, I can guarantee you that. And other than that, make sure your stop losses are tight, make sure your alerts are set. I'll catch you in the next one. Take it easy.